Hi, this is Peter Wolf, and I'm going to introduce my final project for ArcGIS at Washington University. And what I've done here is I've taken GIS data from Santa Rosa County. It's available on the county's website with the objective of providing a high-level official with an operational picture of the county during a high water event like a flood. The analysis I plan on providing includes the number of structures impacted by high water, the percentage of residential homes that are impacted, and also the percentage of roadways that are impacted, and in other words, that are impassable. There's quite a bit of very useful data on the Santa Rosa County GIS website, and what I had provided for you on this slide is an overview of the county, the streets, and also the fire stations and the hospitals in this particular county. Now I'm going to zoom in on one part of this county, and it's the very tip of this area here, and that would be Gulf Breeze, Florida. It's actually a peninsula, and the data sets that I included here in green would all be all the structures in Gulf Breeze. You can tell it's a very densely packed area. Now, I don't know if those particular green dots represent residential homes or whether or not they represent businesses. I did do a select by attribute to find out where the hospitals and the fire stations were. And in this case, I color coded them green and yellow for those two points of interest. I'm interested in doing here in my initial analysis is finding out if there is a flood, what homes would be impacted, or I should say more accurately, what structures are impacted. And with an intersect geoprocess, I found out that the structures impacted are, of course, closest to the water line itself. One thing I don't know is whether or not those are residential or whether they're businesses, whether there's some type of structure. You can see that the fire station and the hospital are not impacted. But another piece of my analysis will be looking at the routes with a network analysis to find out what roadways are passable and can people evacuate in this circumstance, or can first responders reach people in the affected areas. So one thing I will be doing with the attribute calculator is finding out what percentage of the structures are actually residential versus businesses versus maybe municipal structures. And that then I can provide an estimate, again, to a high level official, how many people would be impacted, how many people might actually have to evacuate this particular area. So that is my GIS final project. I welcome your suggestions. Thank you.